Hello, everyone. Dive into the exciting world of interactive sign-up and login pages with me. Whether you're a budding developer or a tech enthusiast, you're in the right place. This journey comes with the GitHub source code, available in the description, so you can follow along step by step, or even customize it for your own projects. Let's get started. The sign-up functionality includes essential input fields like username, email, password, and confirm password, all equipped with real-time validation. To ensure accurate data entry, key features include a password visibility toggle with an eye icon, dynamic error messages for incorrect or missing inputs, and a success message displayed after successful registration. The design is responsive and mobile-friendly, offering smooth transitions and hover effects for an enhanced user experience. The login functionality provides fields for username and password, complete with validation to prevent empty submissions. It includes a password visibility toggle for added convenience and dynamic error handling to guide users if incorrect inputs are detected. The interface ensures seamless interactions, features a link to quickly switch to sign up for new users, and is fully responsive to adapt to various screen sizes. This journey comes with the GitHub source code, available in the description, so you can follow along step by step, or adapt it to your unique needs. Don't forget to subscribe to my TechWins Adventures YouTube channel for more tutorials, tech tips, and exciting projects. Together, let's make technology simple and accessible. Thanks for watching.